Now this makes a change. We're off on Gareth's boat. This is a Hurley 22 and we're taking Gareth out for a sea trial, but it's supposed to be 15 to 20 mile an hour. I think it might be a bit more than that, to be honest with you. Once we turn we should be alright. We're on our side at the moment. We're still digging into the bottom. As per usual, I think the forecast is slightly out. Gareth just started the engine. I'm getting ready to sort this out. Okay, to let it go now. Roll this off the side. She's away, she's running underneath us. Don't go forward. That's it, she's out to the side now. You're alright, you're away. And we're away. Windy, windy, windy. Oi, oi, oi. All boats facing the right way. That's all boats facing the right way. Wouldn't aim me there for the wind. We have quite a few boats that girth on this water. We think that the issue that solves the girthing problem is when we have a heavier chain at the front than is recommended, and we found that if we have a heavy bottom chain, the last 10 meters or so, then that tends to stabilize the boats, so we found that alright. There you go, buddy. There you go, buddy. Septimus floating well, no problems there. Those spray hoods on this boat's getting absolutely soaked.
I think they used to be. They're like attachments.
Yeah,
things,
they looks like it. Yeah, yeah.
I wouldn't have one.
No, I don't like them. Just remember the kicking strap. It's terrible when you don't sail for a while on your boat. That was Gareth putting the kicking strap on. We've just remembered it. We managed to loosen the topping lift though. We did that right. Unfortunately we haven't got a reef, so we've had to put up a temporary reef just to give us some control at the moment. and then we'll let the full sail out in a minute. Who needs a helm? That's what you call auto helm from the wind. Well, the wind's starting to calm now, although the waves are still big. We got battered by one a minute ago, got absolutely soaked. But yeah, wind's calming. Things are looking up. Safely moored up now. After 2 attempts, the wind blew us off twice. We couldn't get close to the buoy. Wind got up towards the end, very strong towards the end. It's calming down again now. It's been,
Thank God.
it wasn't a gust either, it was constant for quite a while. Just typical as we were mooring. But anyway, it's calmer now. Although the swell's quite a big swell. So, and then we've got to get in safely to the beach, because the rollers on the beach will be quite something, I would imagine. First time out this year. There's lots of sort out, but that's due for another day. That'll do, donkey. Bye.